Hi everybody, a warm welcome to Eye to Eye Gurukul. Today I am going to discuss here about the children eyewear selections. So how will you select the right frames and right lenses for your child, and what are the considerations you are going to count before going to purchase the eyewears for your children? So we'll go by one. I have 10 points in this session. So I'll be focusing on the main topic now. Before going to start this topic, I would like to request you all, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell so that you will get all the notifications whenever I upload the new sessions on this platform. Dear parents, first step, an eye exam. Before purchasing eyewear for your kids, schedule an eye exam for your child with an optometrist or ophthalmologist nearer to you. Children's eyes can change rapidly, so make sure your child has an up-to-date eyeglass prescription for the best possible vision and comfort before investing in new eyewear or spectacles. If you are in a search of the right pair of glasses for your child, you probably know that walking into the optical store or optical counter can be confusing. There is no storage of children's eyeglasses. The problem is figuring out which glass your child will be willing to wear and will they last longer than the ride of home. Here are the 10 shopping tips to help you choose eyeglasses for your child and who will love and that will be stylish and durable. Friends, let me focus on the today's discussion. Coming to the first point in this session, that is how will you select the best frame or best lenses based on your child prescription. So first question will come in your mind, that is the how thick will be the lenses. The eyeglass prescription is always a primary consideration in choosing the glasses. Before you start looking for frames, consult with your optometrist or an optician about your children's lenses. If the prescription calls for a strong lenses that are likely to be thick, avoid large frames that will increase the thickness of the lenses. Also, smaller lenses tend to have fewer higher order aberrations near the edges of the lens than the larger lenses of the same material, same prescription. So, there is less risk of blurred vision or distorted vision at the peripheral vision. Friends, let me take you to second point. In this, how will you choose a frame that is modern or attractive style for your child? Most kids will be self-conscious wearing the glasses for first time. So choose a frames that have a modern attractive style. Also features like photochromatic lenses that darken the automatically in sunlight. This may help inspire your child to want to wear glasses in and outdoor activities. Friends, let me take you to next point, that is material, plastic or metal you are going to select for your child. Children frames are made of either plastic or metal. In the past, plastic frames were a better choice for children because they were considered more durable, less likely to be bent or broken, lighter in weight and less expensive. But now the manufacturers are making metal frames that incorporates these features as well. Metal composition varies, so ask your optician which one is the best for your child based on his experience with the different alloys. Friends, choose a frame made up of hypoallergenic material. If your child has shown sensitivity to certain substances, for example, some people are allergic to metal frames that contain nickel. Friends, coming to the next point, that is the proper bridge fit. So one of the most strongest and important part about choosing a suitable frame for your children is that their noses are not fully developed. So they don't have a bridge that prevent plastic frames from the sliding down. Metal frames, however, usually are made with the adjustable nose pads, so they fit everyone's bridges. Friends, each frame must be evaluated individually to make sure it fits the bridges. If any gaps exist between the bridges of the frame and the bridges of the nose, the weight of the lenses will cause the glasses to slide down, no matter how well the frame seems to be fit before the lenses were made. It is very important that the glasses stay in place, otherwise kids tend to look over the top of the lenses instead of pushing their glasses back up where they belong. An optometrist usually is the best judge of whether frame fit properly. Friends, let me take you to next point, that is the fifth one. How will you select the right temple style for your child spectacle? Temples are wrapped all the way around the back of the ear. This will help to keep your glasses from the sliding down or drooping off a children's face completely. There are several temple styles. So these wraparound temples called cable temples generally are available on metal frames, and these are especially helpful to keep glasses in place on a toddler. Another option is a frame that includes an elastic strap that goes around the head. Friends, coming to the next point, that is the sixth point, spring hinges. A nice feature to look for, that is the temple with the spring hinges. These allows the temples to flex outwards away from the frames without causing any damages. Friends, kids aren't always careful when they put on and take off the glasses, and spring hinges can help prevent the need for the frequent adjustment and costly repairs. They also come in handy if the child falls in asleep with the glasses on or just has a rough day at the play. Friends, moving towards the next point, that is the lens material. Once you and your child agree on the frames that you both like, the next consideration is the lenses. Children's lenses should be made of polycarbonate or Trivex materials. These materials are significantly more impact resistant than other lens materials for added safety. Friends, these polycarbonate and Trivex lenses are also significantly lighter than the regular plastic lenses, which makes the glasses more comfortable, especially for strong prescriptions. Please avoid choosing a glass lenses for your children's eyeglasses. Although they are very scratch resistant, glass lenses are very heavy and can break relatively easily compared with the polycarbonate and or Trivex lenses. Friends, let me take you to the next point, that is the sports glasses. Polycarbonate is such a safe lens material that you may be tempted to let your child play sports in his regular glasses. Here is the drawback. Although polycarbonate is the lens material used for sports eyewear, regular eyeglasses frames do not provide enough protection from large objects such as balls and flying elbows. So, if your child is involved in a sports, a proper sports goggle with polycarbonate lenses will provide the best protection against the eye injury. Friends, To provide optimum protection, sports goggle must be fitted properly. So you need to consult with your eye care professional, that is optometrist, before purchasing them. The lens opening of the sports goggles should be large enough, so if the goggles are pushed towards the face, the impact points are above and below the eyes to avoid eye injuries. Friends, let me take you to second last point, that is the warranties. Many optical retailers offer an warranty plan that will replace eyewear at no charge or for a small fee in case of damage to the frame or lenses. Consider opting for the warranty, especially if your child is toddler or is wearing glasses for the first time. Friends, make sure the lens warranty includes the replacement provision if the lenses become badly scratched from the normal wear. In addition to causing glare and blurred vision, surface scratches can compromise the impact resistance of eyeglasses, putting your child's eyes at risk. Friends, let me take you to the last point, that is the purchase a backup pair. Because children can be a dove on their own glasses, it is a good idea to purchase second or backup pair of glasses for them, especially if your child has a strong prescription and cannot function without his or her glasses. Friends, in some cases, sports goggle can also be used spare pair of the glasses. Or if your child prescription has not changed significantly, keep his or her previous eyeglasses in a safe place for use as a spare. If your child wears glasses full time, photochromatic or a prescription sunglasses also should be considered to be a decreased glare, increased visual comfort and provide 100% protection from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this session. I would like to request once again here, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell so that you will get all the future updates whenever I upload on this platform. Thank you.